gentle old nudge that speaks to the heart without any judge. It says, step out of the comfort and walk on the way. Trust in the power of the one who can save. Because that habit, that screen, that smoke, or that wine is occupying space meant for something divine. It's a thick, heavy fog that is stealing your view of the beautiful life.